Welcome, this is Jim from Cherish Me Again 1 on eBay. Today we are doing a demonstration on a Montgomery Ward Signature 440T Typewriter. The ribbon lift does not go up and down on its own. It appears to be sticking somewhere. It is a pretty clean unit, other than it could probably use a good cleaning, possibly an adjustment to make everything work the way it should. It is a Pika text script on it. It is serial number G8042457. It does come with a hard plastic case. There's a little dust inside. It does come with the original manual, and the hang tag. Thank you very much for looking at our typewriter.